Are you looking for the best Pancake air compressor? I have compiled a list of top 5 best Pancake air compressors this year. These are handpicked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing,
that have gone all the way through the material. FlexVolt is genius. It's a strong battery and it lasts a long time, and it's making our jobs.
Number 1. Bostitch 6-gallon Pancake compressor. This bright yellow 6-gallon air compressor is durable and sturdy. It has solid rubber feet on the bottom to give it stability and absorb vibration. It produces 150 psi with its oil-free pump. This gives you maintenance-free operation with no need for oil changes or belt replacements. It has a noise rating of 78.5 Ba. There are 2 couplers so that 2 users can work from the compressor simultaneously. The compressor weighs 29 pounds, making it easy to carry and store. What makes this compressor stand out is that it's easy to start up, even in cold weather. The drawback of this air compressor is that it's heavy and loud. However, it's still smaller and quieter than compressors that are larger than the Pancake design. It also comes with additional power for the weight. Number 2. DeWalt 6-gallon Pancake air compressor combo kit. This oil-free Pancake air compressor delivers a maximum of 165 psi. It has a 6-gallon tank and a 25-foot hose and coupler. What makes this compressor stand out is that it also comes with an 18-gauge nailer. The noise rating is 75.5 decibels, making it quieter than other compressors on this list. During continuous running, the compressor maintains 90 psi and has a quick recovery. You'll find the compressor easy to carry with its 30-pound weight. You'll appreciate the ball drain valve for quick and thorough tank draining. Unfortunately, you may find the hose to be bulky and heavy to maneuver. It also lacks lay flat or anti-tangle features. The compressor also lacks a pressure regulator gauge. Instead, it has a turn knob, which isn't as effective. Number 3. DeWalt 2.5-gallon cordless air compressor kit. You can take this air compressor anywhere with its 2.5-gallon
owner
tank
of Pleasant Hills Custom Builders, and I've been in this business for about 20 years.
Can deliver
the one-turn regulator made it easy to precisely dial up the pressure or dial down depending on what we're using.
This makes
it's a real time saver because we don't have to go back and set high nails or worry about nails that have gone all the way through the material. FlexVolt is genius. It's a strong battery and it lasts a long time, and it's making our jobs easier and actually more fun. I've been using DeWalt tools since I started, and I've been impressed ever since. And every time the new technology comes out, I follow it.
We've used that cordless compressor for framing, siding, casing, crown, trim, wainscoting, flooring, and it's handled.
Number 4. Porter Cable 6-gallon air compressor and nailer combo kit. This air compressor is one that's ready for work, coming with a 6-gallon tank and an oil-free motor. It delivers 150 psi and weighs 30 pounds. It's rated for quiet operation, making this compressor suitable for filling your vehicle tires while in your driveway. The kit also comes with a 25-foot hose, couplings, and 3 brad nailers, 16, 18, and 23 gauge. These aren't just cheap brad nailers, as they have a tool-free jam release, maintenance-free motors, durable construction, and tool-free depth of drive adjustment. One issue with this kit is that the air tank has an expiration date. According to the owner's manual, you shouldn't use the compressor past this date. You'll want to check your manual to ensure your new compressor doesn't have a looming expiration date. Number 5. Feeney 6-gallon electric Pancake air compressor. This small 6-gallon air compressor has a 1.5 horsepower motor. It delivers 2.8 SCFM at 90 psi and has a maximum psi of 150. The startup psi is 125. This gives you plenty of professional-grade power for running nail guns. The advanced oil-free pump reduces the sound level and maintenance requirements. The decibel rating is 76 decibels. There are 2 couplings, so you can simultaneously run multiple tools. You'll appreciate the durability of this compressor with its robust metal handle and impact-resistant shroud. A quarter-turn ball valve drains the tank for quick tank emptying. Once you purchase a hose, this compressor has built-in hose storage for compact keeping. Unfortunately, this compressor doesn't come with any accessories or a hose. This means you can't use the compressor until you buy these other parts.